Hello everybody, here I am again. I hope you're still having a wonderful time. Thank you for visiting and joining us here at the Cosmic Patterns channel, YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the video about the Astrosearch feature within the Sirius program. I'm just going to show you all those features, but not the steps. Just going to show you where they are and what they are for. Okay, so here we go. So we click on this little icon. This is an Astrosearch icon. As you can see, there's a little pop-up in there, what it is about. Okay, then you click on this and you will see this entire thing here. There's so many to choose from here. Okay, so the first one is called AstroSignature. All right, so when you click on this window opens. Here you have several kinds of AstroSignatures already created for you. I suggest not to touch them or customize them. Instead, create a new one. Or what you can do is you can click on one of this, for example, and then you can duplicate. So once you click in here, you can click on new AstroSignature, and then you can click on same as flexible search or adjustable search. So I'm just showing you how these things work. Then we can click on cancel in here. But you can see if you want to customize one of this, you can click on one and click on customize and customize view highlighted AstroSignature, and these are all the formula. So I suggest not touching them so that you have the original formula behind it. Just come in here to see what is involved in there, but don't customize. Create a duplicate of it instead. Okay, so let's cancel here and cancel again, and let's go back to return to previous menu. Okay, so now let's click on the matchmaking the matchmaking Astro Research. So with the matchmaking research, this is the feature that allows you to produce AstroSignature scores for pairs of people. It is very similar to the AstroSignature research feature, except it analyzes the compatibility between two charts instead of one chart. You can also analyze astrological influences in the composite chart in here. So let's click on matchmaking in here. And then here you go. Just like the other Astrosearch, there's already a pre-made version of them in here that have been developed. So if you want to create a similar formula, improve it, you can click on one, for example, and then you click on new Astrosearch, and then click on same as the marriage compatibility, and name it your own name. For example, my matchmaking formula. Okay, all right. Now you click on make AstroSignature and click on OK, and then it created a clone of that marriage compatibility formula. You can either remove from here or you can add formulas into it. Okay, so let's click on OK, save in here, and then click on OK. And then if we want to remove it, we can remove it. I can highlight this and then click on just customize highlighted or remove highlight AstroSignature, and you click on remove and it will remove it. Okay, if you don't want your thing really messy. See, we can click on return to previous menu. I'm not gonna do a begin analysis because it will take a while before it will finish. But before you begin analysis, you have to change the categories. Okay, I will show you that later. But for now, let me show you the rest of the Astrosearch database, AstroSignature here. The next one is the forecast research for one day. When you click on it, it shows that screen for you. And then it will also show you the formula again that are already there, that are already been pre-made for you. Okay, so in order to understand what is in it, you should click on it and then click on customize, or click on new search to duplicate it. Okay, so here you go. This is the AstroSignature for famous and research data, and then it is called the forecast research of one event. Okay, the next one is the pairs relationship. This is for the events research, and you have these three options here. You can do pairs AstroSignature, pairs exploratory, and make pairs control group. Okay, you need these, all of these three actually, when you are doing your research. All right, so the same as the other Astrosearch that we have looked at, when you click on one of them, it also opens to this window, and it will give you a pre-made window already. Okay, and pre-made formula. Now let's go back, and there's another one, exploratory. This is the exploratory assumption research, and you click on here, and you got all of these things in here. I believe I have a video, complete video of it on how to use this. Okay, so let's move on to the other ones. Number 6, midpoints of harmonic patterns. Then you select the two planets combinations in here. For the focal planet, this is at the midpoint, the first planet and the second planet. Okay, and then you click on, let's click on cancel in here. So, and then let's go to the quantitative synodic cycle research. Okay, so for the I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce it very well. For the quantitative synodic research, this is the feature that provides the ability to explore the relationship of the planetary angles, harmonics, and the Gaussian sectors to score on any kind of a test or any kind of performances. The ability to visualize results with a graph enables one to explore possibilities and visualize what kind of relationships they may be. Okay, so let's click on quantitative synodic cycle research. We click on here. We can click on one of this option here, and then it will again bring you to this window, and then they're basically really self-explanatory. Okay, all right, so you don't feel free to play with this. Don't be afraid with it. Okay, so let's exit this. Let's go back to the previous screen. Now we click on here, produce data for statistics software. We click on here. We click on individual charts, one category of a chart, and then here we go. Oh, sorry. There's an explanation in here on what to do, and then let's go back to return to the previous menus, and let's go to the specific astro factors. With the specific astro factors, you have so many options in here. They're all only 2 planets combo though. Okay, the signs, planets in zodiac, planets in elements, planets in house, planets in angular houses, planets in aspects, planets in harmonic aspects, and all this good stuff. Okay, so when you click on one of this, it's very easy to follow really, and you just start calculating. Okay, all right, so let's return to the next window. We have the specific astro factor for compatibility. Here you can change the category, planets in chart of aspects. You can select a planet. Let's cancel that, and we can select a planet on here as well, and then you click on, and then you always can calculate from those options. Okay, now let's return to the other menu items. Now view birth data sorted by data or by date. So let's click on here, and then you can actually you can view birth data sort by month, day, or year, or month and day, or the sun position, and then you can just click on. Now let me change the category so I can show this to you. I will select my category so that it's very fast to calculate. So I'm just gonna go all my data, and we click on OK, and then let's click on produce listing for this sort. We're sorting the list per sun position, so we'll produce the listing. It will then create it on the right side of the window. Okay, let me stop this so that we can see the list. Otherwise this will take quite a little while, but let's click on stop for now, but still created the list for us. Okay, these are the list of people from my chart database that has everyone in Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, blah blah blah, all the way. Okay, so it's really very fun to use. You can do you can find out whose moon position is in Aries, blah blah blah, and other zodiac signs. You can select this. This is really a cool feature. Okay, let's click. You can save the results, so let's click on done, return to the previous menu. Here, the next one is the electional AstroSignature. We click in here. Okay, again, there is already pre-made AstroSignatures for you, and these last two are the ones that Honor Dozier used for his lectures, for his television station in Turkey. He demonstrates this because he is following earthquake all over the world, especially in his area in Turkey, and he's finding it super accurate. And this is the formula that he created in the Sirius program. Okay, so those are the 12 AstroSignatures that you can use. There's so many. If you're curious, play with it if you have plenty of time to choose to play with. And these are extra button here. You can click on house system, select the and then click on here and select the house system that you want to use. You can also view this on the other side of the program. You can also click on erase files. You can erase some of the files that you saved, but I suggest not to go through this. I'm just showing it to you. Answer no. Now you can, on this button, you can change the moon using either the normal calculation or parallax corrected, or however chart was calculated, which is not recommended. Always use normal if you do not know what the parallax corrected position of the moon is about. Okay, so let's click on cancel in here, and then let's click on done. So that is the rundown of this Astrosearch feature. Okay, one day I will create a full-blown demo of each one of this, but we cannot include here on this video. Okay, thank you so much. Have a wonderful time, however time you are watching this in your area of the world or in your side of the world. Good morning to you, good evening to you, happy midday to you, or good night. Thank you so much again for watching, and thank you for your support of the Cosmic Patterns YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.